Hi, my name's Brandon Schwartz, and this is Signature Motorsports. Hey everyone, this is Signature Motorsports. My name is Brandon Schwartz, and today we are working on this 2009 Pontiac G8. As you already know, our goal for this car is 1600 horsepower, single turbo. We're going to start fabbing the cooler mounting solution that we have. We're going to need to do some welding for that. We're going to mount some steel bars. We've got some angle iron, some other things that we're going to try and get those to fit with. Other than that, I think that's all we're going to try and do today. We might get a little further. We're also going to try and get that like an access panel over where that spare tire tub was. Those are just going to be, that's going to be bolted right into the chassis. We're not welding that, obviously it's aluminum. But yeah, let's just get started.
So you're looking for a spot for the oil cooler?
Yes, so we're thinking we're just gonna take this out. Now the trick is the rear diffuser mounts to it
we can add
via zip ties.
We can add a support bracket that comes down off of the rear crumple zone right here.
Yep.
And then we can reattach the diffuser to the support bracket.
That's easy.
It'll be really easy. We can weld it in. We can.
I would say
we can bolt it in
here at some point.
Yeah. Yeah. We can weld it in. We can bolt it in. We can always go down to Enterprise, grab the welder from there.
Well,
That's aluminum though.
yeah.
What?
You need a TIG welder for
That's
that.
aluminum.
No, I'm talking about this.
Oh, gotcha.
This is steel.
Yep.
No, we don't want to put it on. We don't want to put it on the bumper.
Yeah,
I want to put it on the crumple.
And like
on
just bring
on
it
this crumple pad.
Oh, up here?
Yeah.
And just bring a bracket down.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, that would be so easy.
Yeah. So take these out.
Yep.
Take the diffuser out of the way. This rear bumper should flex enough to get it to be able to get this out. And the trick is remove it in sections. So like cut out a section, cut out a section, cut out a section, that type of stuff.
We honestly don't need to take the whole thing out. Unless, actually, you know, my note would be better.
Yeah, just to get it out. We do have this, this beautiful.
Just working with
Stop
clearance
bending.
issues under the car.
Well, so we're taking this. We don't need a spare tire. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't think it would fit in here.
No, I mean, we're gonna get rid of this entirely, and it's gonna be a steel plate that's gonna most likely replace it.
Just
and
a
then,
flat plate.
Yeah, flat or at an angle. So that we're gonna have these, like that or like that. I don't know exactly how yet. And we're gonna mount the oil and transmission cooler back here. It just frees up a lot of space, adds a little bit of chassis rigidity because you're filling this space now with, instead of just a big plastic tray, it will be literally just a plate of like 1/8 inch steel or something like that. That's welded just straight to the chassis, which will help. But yeah, more importantly, it does give us a better mounting place for the coolers. There's a hole in my car. Everything's in good condition.
Yeah, I'm surprised there is.
Pretty good weight reduction, huh?
Well, honestly, not much. We're going to be adding weight.
Yeah, that's true. With the steel plate versus just
Yeah,
plastic, right?
correct. We are making it up in chassis rigidity, though, as well as, of course, space, which we need a lot of.
Brandon, how's it coming?
It's coming. It's
Looks a lot better.
it certainly is all out.
You guys all done?
I don't know what you're talking about. Who's over there?
Cut the hole. Good as new.
Dude, what hole?
Easy subframe access.
For now.
So, this is basically where they're gonna be fitted.
Yep, there's a lot of space to work with there.
That is awesome.
We are gonna have lots of options and some chassis stiffening because That's a big hole.
Yeah, it is. Is your subwoofer gonna just sit on the steel plate or on the sound deadening?
It's gonna be stock. The stock carpet's gonna fit right over it.
Oh, that's awesome.
So it's gonna, you won't even, I mean, looking at it, you could open the trunk when it's done. It won't look like anything happened.
So what is this plate fitting into?
This is the mounting point for the chromoly tubing that we have. It's going to add chassis rigidness to the back of the car for the spare tire area that we cut out. And it's also going to serve a dual purpose as a mounting point for our trans and oil cooler. This is the plate for the bar attachment that's going to go in between these two frame rails.
All right, so we are getting our cooling mounting solution into place here. The way we've got it set up right now is we've welded this 1 3/4 inch bar straight across here, and we are welding this angle iron straight to the chassis from that bar. We are going to mount the oil cooler on this side, which is what they're working on right now. They're drilling out the holes that those are going to bolt to the cooler, and then we're going to tack it into place, figure out where we need the second bar, and get going on that. On the other side, we are going to be putting the transmission cooler, which is going to be a lot simpler. We're just going to have essentially 2 of these bars going straight across, and it's just going to bolt straight to them.
For the trans cooler, they just make the one turn, right? But I'm perfectly.
Well, because that way they're already connected by the time they hit this point. If you put it like that, now they both have to like not lie, but like it's not a big deal, but it's just a little cleaner. So we just finished up the fabrication in the trunk. We've got our coolers mounted up. We've got some bushings for the transmission cooler. It's a 30,000 BTU transmission cooler with a fan, 600 CFM fan. Same with the oil cooler. We also have a fan on that. We also got the aluminum plate finish. That turned out really nice with the countersunk bolts. And we also have all the nuts welded to the chassis here, as well as some riv nuts to hold that in. But yeah, that's all we got for today, guys. Go subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment. I'll see you guys next time.